In this video, we're going to look at what formulas are and see how we can use them. A formula is really just a rule that helps you to work something out, and they come up a lot in science and maths. For example, the formula for speed is S equals d divided by t, where S stands for speed, d for distance, and t for time. So if you were asked to work out the speed of a vehicle that travelled 80 meters in 10 seconds, then all you'd have to do is take these values that you've been given for distance and time and plug them into the equation. So 80 meters divided by 10 seconds, which is 8. And the units here would be meters per second. Now, that's pretty much all there is to formulas. But sometimes they might look a bit more complicated. So let's have a go at a slightly trickier one. The formula for converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit is F equals 9/5 C plus 32. If the temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, so C is 15, find the temperature in Fahrenheit. As an aside, if you're not familiar with the terms Celsius and Fahrenheit, these are just the units that we use to measure temperature, with Celsius being the main one that we use in Europe, and Fahrenheit being more common in America. But to do this question, you actually don't need to know anything about temperature or what these words mean. If we look at the question, we can see that we're trying to find the temperature in Fahrenheit, but that we're given the temperature in Celsius. So all we need to do is write out the formula that we were given and plug in the 15 degrees Celsius in the place of the C, so that we get F equals 9/5 times 15 plus 32, which simplifies to 27 plus 32, or 59. So the temperature in Fahrenheit is 59 degrees. Before we finish, I just want to give you a quick idea of what some of the common formulas look like. For example, this is the formula for density, kinetic energy, acceleration, and for converting between kilometers and miles. You don't need to worry about remembering all of these. I just wanted to show you some examples of how they look. That's everything for this video though, so hope you found it useful. If you did, then do give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.